What's up, everybody? I just got my copy of Arena Breakout Infinite, and I see a lot of other people kind of curious on how they get their own version or key. And I'm just going to show you guys real quick on how I got mine, so that way you guys can do the same. First things first is you're going to want to get to the Twitch drops page of the Arena Breakout Infinite website. How you can get here is there's two ways. One, you can come and do the Arena link command in my chat, all one word, and it'll bring it up. You can click that, or you can just go to Google and type in Arena Breakout Infinite Twitch drops, and the first link up here will also bring you back. Once you have gone there, there's going to be a button where it says link and claim now. Go ahead and click that, and it'll just scroll you down. Here you're going to have an email and a Twitch account. So on the first thing you want to do is make a level infinite pass. That'll be on the left here with your email, so make sure you have access to that email so that way you can confirm it. And then once you've done that, made an account, then hook up your Twitch on the right hand side here. And then once you've hooked up your Twitch, you're pretty much set up. All you have to do then is wait until the drops happen again, and then when the drops happen again, you have to watch for 60 minutes to be able to claim a key. If you're unsure of when the next drops are, two ways that you can kind of find out is, one, you can also go back to my chat, type in next drops for the command, and it'll bring up the command that we know of the most imminent drops. So if there are ones that we find out, we'll update it through there. If not, the second thing you can do is just go page to page, and somebody will eventually post when we find out. But let's fast forward. Let's say you got to your drop day, right? You're watching drops now. You got to your favorite Arena Breakout player, Uberkist, right? And you're watching them play. What you need then is your Twitch inventory, which is this right here. If you don't know what this is or how to get to here, two things you can do is you can also go back to my page. You can type in the command Twitch inventory, or you can just go back to Google, type in Twitch inventory, and the first thing here, if you click that, it'll bring you up to here. So now that you have a window pulled up while you're watching your favorite streamer play, you go back to your inventory page, and on the left hand side where it says inventory here, if you click that, it'll give you the progress. So I already have mine done, so it's not going to show it here. This is another example from a different game. It says I have 1% of 2 hours done here. So for that one, for the arena one, it'll have a 1 hour accomplishment. So once you get that done and fulfilled, you'll hit the claim now. Once you hit claim now, you'll jump back over to this Twitch page, which is up here. So you can get that by using Google or my command again. Hit the get your own stream key here at the bottom. Once you've clicked that, you then will receive a special message here with your new stream key. I know it's blacked out for you guys. I've edited it so that way nobody can use it. And then once you've got this, you're pretty much good to go. You don't need to do anything else other than download the game. You also need to wait about one, they say, business day. So that gets kind of a little frustrating, but give them time. They got it done pretty quick. I got mine last night at 8 p.m. I woke up at 8 a.m. today, and it was already fulfilled. So they're on it. They're pretty quick. There's also a second way to get a key as well, and it's not through watching or any of that. What you can do to get your second key is if you go back to the Arena Breakout website, and this is just the Arena Breakout website. This isn't the Twitch drops version of the website, not this. But if you go back to here, click PC beta at the top, it'll bring you to this page. Once you're on this page, you scroll down, and then you'll see that there is this loot bonus section. If you do all the special things like the beta sign up, the join their Discord, you follow them on X, YouTube, and you share them on your social media platforms, they give you these draws. And every time you get a draw, you get basically one free pick of one of these. So you can get 10,000 units of money. You can get some gold lions. You can get a beta key here. So if you guys are not wanting to wait around for your beta key, like on the drops, try your luck here. You can also get a $10 Amazon gift card, or, which this is the one that I drew twice, you get a better luck next time. So hopefully you guys get a little better luck than I did. I got 2 packs of money. Here's my rewards right here. See, So like I said, hopefully you guys get better draws than I do, and hopefully this helps you guys. If so, let me know. Drop back into Twitch, let me know if you guys have any questions, or you can post them here below on the YouTube page. Anything works with me. I'll try to sign back over here every once in a while and answer any questions on the downtime. Hopefully this game's kind of good and that you guys enjoy it as much as I do. All right, glad to see you out there. Peace.